Your first alert meteorologist Joe Ruch is live now. Joe, it's often windy where you are now in Boulder, really windy in fact.
It is very windy. It's a great idea of what we're dealing with. Listen to this. That's our anemometer. Rob, I'm going to turn you around if you could show the blowing dust. We're looking at gusts right now 35 miles per hour. There's intermittent gusts probably approaching 40. Here's the big story. You know the winds are whipping, but this is something we don't always get. Our relative humidity is 5% right now in Boulder County atop our first alert weather tracker. Robin, you can get back over here. This is our big story. This is impressively low, almost as low as physically possible in the atmosphere. Okay, we know what wind does. That's going to be lofting our heat into the air. Relative humidity allows all of our embers to keep their heat. Right now, we're on the Front Range, Northern Front Range, no fires. I do want to take a full graphic, though, on I-70, where we do have currently a closure westbound with a fire burning. Not much information available with this, but we are watching it very closely. This fire is not only causing travel disruptions, but with wind gusts to 40 miles per hour, fire spread is something we're watching. If you do come back full with us, we're atop Boulder County right now on a very high point. I can see all the way to our Kansas border in the distance. To this point, I haven't seen a smoke plume. If we do, we will be the first to get on the fire, get the information, and get you a real visual of the situation. All right, for now, we're gonna send it back to you, Dave. I mean, the winds, they're whipping.
Yeah, and it's critical time right now, Joe. For the next couple of hours, we're going to have the triple whammy just coming right at us. So as a lot of people get home, that type of thing, get out, walk the dogs, a lot of driving on the highways. Just be careful out there because we're dealing with this through the night.
But first, let's get right to First Alert Meteorologist Joe Ruch in our weather tracker. Joe.
Yeah, how's it going? We are right now headed towards that Kit Carson fire you were mentioning in Kit Carson County. I'll show you right now out front. We don't see smoke yet. We're still probably an hour and a half away from the immediate scene. I do want to show you some video that we got earlier from the fire as it was developing. What we are seeing is wind-fueled fire. It is a more rural area. It's causing travel disruptions for I-70. At this point, one lane remains closed. We also have an evacuation order immediately between I-70 all the way north to County Road AA. That is west of Flagler, but the fire is generally burning in that direction. So what we're doing right now, we're on the road in the First Alert Weather Tracker. We're going to get on I-70. We're going to see all the information we can get you. Once we get a visual of the fire, we'll hop back on here, give you guys all the latest. It's been about an hour since we've received any updates.
All right, Joe, thank you.